Good morning. Billyjack on location in central Honolulu at the Mission Homes, the oldest homes supposedly in Hawaii. These are mud flooders. You'll see this home in many photos. It's very famous, especially the old water wells you have here. I wonder until what time these were producing. For these to have functioned correctly, they would have had to have been redug out after this event. You can see we have possibly window wells here. Yeah, I can clearly see that one. Right in there. If we can get in that crack here. This one goes down quite a way. It's hard to see with the glare here. The glare is horrible. So bright out here. I'm so close to this building, it's hard to get a... This one I believe is the original Mission home itself. This is the one you see in a lot of... Sorry about that. This is the home you see in a lot of the older pictures referred to as the Mission homes. This is one of them. Billyjack over and out.